Are you an event professional and you're looking to learn pipe and drape? But perhaps maybe you just don't know where to start, or you're getting all of the wrong resources from different designers, different groups, and you're just getting frustrated at this point. If that is so, hold tight, because I have just the thing for you. My name is Precious Stevens and I'm of the Posh Academy, and here's the truth that you really need to know about pipe and drape. In fact, here's the biggest problem that you're facing right now that's been holding you back. It's the unwillingness to really invest in your business to get better quality products to attract the kind of clients that you want to work with. But that's not the end of the problem. It actually gets worse, and here's why. You're actually getting overwhelmed. You're listening to too many different resources. You're trying to keep up with what everyone else is doing, and you're not prepared with the right tools to actually get it done the right way. So you end up continuously designing those boring backdrops that no one's really paying high dollar for. And what happens? You end up getting overlooked and underbooked. I know when I first started, it was very frustrating. I knew I had the desire to really wow people at their events, but I wasn't prepared with the right tools and knowing how to do so. So what I had to do, I had to buckle down and really invest in my business to enhance my skill set so I can attract those ones that I want to work with. Now that I've done all that, my business is booming, and I am so delighted that I was able to create a product that can help you do the same thing. So now I've made it very convenient for you guys because I'm traveling city to city to bring my workshop that can really teach you the same skill set that I now have, and you can enhance your business and elevate to a next level. Thank you so much, and I really want you to be on the lookout for the Posh Academy's draping workshops because we're coming to a city near you, and I hope to see you on the inside.